my lovely foodies, it's CiCi here. Siu Mai is a must-eat in any dim sum places. And today, I want to show you how you can easily make Siu Mai in your own kitchen. First, we're going to mince the shiitake mushrooms. And finally, chop the scallions. Thinly slice the cilantro stems. And here I have about 8 ounces of deveined shrimp. And then mince the shrimp. And now in a large mixing bowl, we're gonna put in the shrimp, pork, shiitake mushrooms, cilantro stems, scallions, soy sauce, oyster sauce, Shaoxing wine, white pepper, salt, sugar, cornstarch, extra light olive oil. You can also use other type of cooking oil, sesame oil, and give it a good mix. You could also throw the filling just like this to make the texture more bouncy and more delicious. And now we're gonna brush a thin layer of cooking oil on your bamboo steamer to prevent sticking. And we're gonna put a wonton wrapper on your hand and scoop about 1 tablespoon of filling on the center of the wrapper. We're gonna place the wrapper between your index finger and your thumb. At the same time, we're gonna push down the filling with the knife and then turn the Siu Mai around as you push down the filling to tighten everything up. And now we're gonna add a little bit of fish roe on top of the Siu Mai for garnish. And place the Siu Mai on the bamboo steamer and repeat with the rest of the filling and the wrappers. So when you make these Siu Mai and you realize that they don't completely look exactly the same, that's totally fine. In a large steamer over high heat, bring it to a boil. And then place the bamboo steamer inside and steam for about 10 minutes. Wow, so good. I really enjoy our Siu Mai today. It tastes super amazing. Like when I bite into it, it's very satisfying. I can taste all the meatiness, all the shrimp. Like the shrimp is really bouncy at the same time. It's full of the aroma of cilantro and also the shiitake mushroom. It's just really perfect combination. I really enjoy it. So I hope that everyone also enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I like to also stay in touch with you on Facebook, Instagram, and also YouTube. So I will see everyone next Friday. Bye for now.